I'm Prayson Pate. I lead the solutions marketing team at ADVA, where I'm also the CTO of the Edge Cloud Group. Today, I'm going to be talking about my predictions for the top 3 trends at the edge of the network in 2022. First, I think that 5G is going to drive changes in the underlying infrastructure. We spend a lot of time thinking about what 5G means in terms of new implementations that are open versus closed, but what does that mean for how we actually deploy them in the network? And the first thing is we'll need ubiquitous compute for hosting those applications, whether it's at a tower or at a telco cloud or at a centralized data center. We'll need open compute distributed throughout the network. Next, we're going to need synchronization and timing distributed through the network in order to meet the tight timing specs for 5G. And because this is a high availability application, we'll need to have a combination of multiple sources like GPS, GNSS, SYNC, and PTP. And then we'll also see network slicing so that we can share infrastructure and still give each application the QoS that it needs. The second trend that I see is that the focus on services is going to drive the move to cloud-centric technologies. And that means that we're going to see operators moving away from devices like routers and firewalls to open virtualized services built on platforms like Universal CPE. And that'll give customers what they're looking for in terms of cloud-centric services. They want services on demand, pay as you go for as long as they want them. And that can't be done with boxes. And this also has benefits for the operators. They can get reduced cost, both of the deployment as well as inventory. They can gain supply chain resilience, but probably most important is that they can speed up not only delivery of services today, but the rate at which they innovate. And the last trend I see is that the move to multi-cloud is going to push out to the edge of the network. A lot of the talk of multi-cloud has focused on sharing applications or moving applications between the hyperscale data centers. But end users need to be able to move those applications all the way out to the edge of the network for reasons of bandwidth or latency or data sovereignty. And that opens the door for operators to provide valuable new compute connect services that are both more valuable for end users as well as stickier for the operator.